So, hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are your emails ending up in the spam or not reaching your audience at all? Don't worry, I'm here to help you fix poor email delivery right now. So stick around because these tips could save your email marketing strategy now. So first, start with your email list. Poor delivery often comes from sending emails to invalid or outdated addresses. So use a verification tool to clean up your list and remove inactive, fake or misspelt email addresses. Trust me, this will improve your sender reputation instantly. Now, let's talk about your sender reputation. If you're sending emails too frequently or receiving too many complaints, your reputation can take a hit. So let's fix this. Send emails only to those who've opted in. Space out your campaigns to avoid overloading inboxes and monitor your sender score using tools like senderscore.org. Authentication is crucial. If you're not already using SPF, DKIM and DMARC, set these up now. These are our technical records that are used to verify your emails and prove that you're a trusted source. Many email marketing platforms provide guides to configure these, or you can ask your IT team for help. Your email content matters too. Avoid spammy words like free, urgent, guaranteed, and don't overload your email with links or large attachments. Instead, use a clear subject line and concise content and one call to action. Before sending your campaign, test it. Use email testing tools to check how your email looks on different devices and whether it's likely to end up in spam. Fix any issues before you hit send. After sending, monitor your results. Look at your metrics like bounce and open rate and spam complaints. If something's off, adjust your approach before your next campaign. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll see a big improvement in your email deliverability. Remember, email marketing is all about trust, relevance and quality. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to level up your email marketing strategy. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and see you in the next video.